Hello everyone. Now in this session we are going to solve one numerical which is based on duobinary encoder with precoder. So what is the statement? The binary data stream 0010110 is applied to the input of duobinary system. Construct duobinary coder output and corresponding receiver output with precoder. So we'll have to not only construct here the encoder output but also the decoder output while considering precoder. Now let me write here first of all the sequence, which how many bits are there. So there are total 3 plus 3 6 7 bits, and there may be some previous bits we may use here in this numerical. So I can write from k is equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5 up to 6 bit. So 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 I have written. This is what my binary sequence bk. The next is pre-coded sequence decay minus 1. Now before writing the value of decay minus 1, first of all I can write the value of precoded sequence decay. So decay is the output of XOR gate, and initially we'll have to consider this value as either 1 or 0. So I have considered here this value as 1, so I can make this as a star mark. So I have to consider either 1 value or 0 value. You may consider 0 value, we'll get the same answer afterwards. Now if I consider this value as 1, now this is the delayed version decay minus 1, so this one will be shifted here. Now decay is equal to bk plus this is XOR, so bk XOR with decay minus 1. So this one when shifted here, so 0 plus 1 is 1. Now this one is shifted here, and 0 XOR with 1 is 1. This one is shifted here, 1 XOR with 1 is 0. This 0 is shifted here, 0 XOR with 0 is 0. This 0 is shifted here, 1 XOR with 0 is 1. This 1 is shifted here because it is delayed version. So 1 XOR with 1 is 0, and finally this 0 is shifted here, 0 XOR with 0 is 0. Now two level sequence we'll have to write. Two level sequence AK means what? When this decay is passing through the phase shifter circuit. So we know that phase shifter circuit means what? If it is 1, it will be having positive polarity. If it is 0, it will be having negative polarity. So this one means it is having the positive polarity, plus 1 plus 1 1 plus 1 0 minus 1 likewise. Now delayed two level sequence. Now we'll have to delay this by 1 bit duration. So this plus 1 will be coming here. This plus 1 will be coming here, this plus 1 will be coming here, minus 1 here, this minus 1 here, this plus 1 here, and this minus 1 will be coming here, right? Now the next is to write the final encoded output, that is CK, and CK is nothing but AK plus, this is adder now, plus AK minus 1. So we'll have to make the addition of this 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, and this is minus 2. Now next is to write the value of mod of CK. Mod of CK means what? Its modulus value. Modulus of 2 is 2, 2, 0, 0, minus 2 modulus is plus 2. 0 0 0 minus 2 mod is plus 2. Now let us finally write the output of the decoder, that is the decision device. Now this is very important, what kind of decision we have seen. So if you see, this is what the action or the action taken by the decision device. So if mod of CK is less than 1, then output BK is equal to 1, and if mod of CK greater than 1, then output BK is equal to 0. So since this mod of CK is greater than 1, so the output is 0. Greater than 1 means 0, greater than 1 means 0, less than 1 means 1. So this is less than 1, that is 0, so it is 1. Greater than 1 value, that is 2 here, so 0. So this is less than 1, so that's why 1 1, this is 0. This is how the received sequence is same as that of the input sequence. You can see 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0, same as that of the input sequence. So this is about the example of duobinary encoder with precoder.